What's going on, everybody? My name is Cameron. Welcome back to the channel. I am in kind of a predicament today. That door opened because it knew I was coming. The White Depression started falling, which is good. Well, not good, but it makes it a little better because we have car parts. Winter is here, and that makes me very sad because either I gotta put the car away or suffer through another year of sliding sideways while going straight down Main Street. I don't know why I'm gonna put this thing on my car when winter's coming. It's gonna come right back off, but I'm gonna do it anyways because I'm excited. So what's in the box? Well, I already looked. I cheated. Just gonna set this here because I can, because I'm repainting the car. In the box we have a piece of plastic that we're gonna move out of the way. First off, we have a license plate frame. Nice. Next we have a box. Actually a really nice box. That got crushed. Sadness. But inside the box we have a cup. It's a nice cup. I'm just excited. Sick little addition. Stay. That's not gonna stay. Stay. And lastly, we have the just released piece of plastic. And this piece of plastic is in the shape of a diffuser. Magic Drift just released this diffuser. It barely came out, and it's already sold out as well at the time of making this video. To another 2-week break. I was lucky enough that I was able to get it, even though I was kind of struggling to get this, but I'm excited. I do a lot of modifications to the front of my car and the sides, where I have the Magic Drip front lip, the side skirts. I made those. And now it's time to spice up the back. I still have to fix the exhaust because they're not in the right spots. What do you do? Install should be fairly easy. There's little pockets where the diffuser screws are supposed to go and screw into the bumper. It's held on by self-tappers. The only problem that I'm seeing so far is it's freaking cold here, which means it's kind of warped itself out of position. So we're gonna have to heat it up and get it back into shape. Shouldn't be too hard. Let's just jump in. We're gonna go around here and grab this. Think of where the battery is. Grab this. Recharge. Charge enough. Take this over here. Hello, Buggy. You are stuck there for 8 months now. That's gonna go there. That's gonna go there. Little stancy car. Should be through there. And look in here. There's our cork plug. Can't see it. There's a weed whacker. Okay, got the battery. So now we're gonna come back over here and put it in the light. Recharged. Charged enough. Wait. Now that we can see what we're doing, let's get started. Alright, first thing is you're going to want to clean underneath your bumper. It's dirty, so let's do that. Alright, that's all clean now. So we are going to get some tape to put this onto here. This is quite unfortunate. I can't find any tape, so we're just going to go with it. Okay, so this stuff is thick. So I drilled some pilot holes, missed one, in each one of these spots to make it a little easier because it's not going in very well. So that should make it easier now. 1 screw, 2 screw, 3 screw, 4 screw, no screw. All right, what's up? It's day 2. We ran out of light last night, so we are jumping over to the next day, and it's done, and it looks sick, and I'm gonna recommend you go in right now. at that, it's a piece that's really subtle, but if you know what you're looking at, it's a huge upgrade. I like how now the exhaust, well, fits together, because I have my piece sitting down here, got the one in the middle, and I got the one on that side. Some things that I'm looking at, easy fix, is the gapping right here. Everything else is flush, but mine came a little warped. Easy fix, put another screw in there. Gotta take the bumper off to do it though. We're gonna wait until after winter to do that. Otherwise, fit and finish, it's mint. I would totally recommend it, especially for the price point. Install super easy, self-tappers, and it's right in there. But I'm gonna get the car washed up right now because it's filthy, and then we're gonna take some nice, hopefully cinematic shots of it. I don't know how to do this kind of stuff, but we're gonna figure it out. See you back in a second. I think that's gonna do it for today. We got the diffuser put on the car. It's looking fantastic right now. I'm at a loss for words, man. That thing looks absolutely killer, especially with the car all cleaned up now. Pair that with the side skirts, with the custom bumper extension thingies, and the front lip. It just looks great. Magic Drift, you kill it on this one. I'd like to give a huge shout out to them and thank them for all the extras that you sent with the diffuser. I'm looking forward to anything else you guys make. Again, my name is Cameron. I appreciate you guys staying with me even for a little bit today and watching this install. Looking forward to the next one. Hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you later.